Imagine your brain as a calm, deep ocean. But lately, thanks to endless scrolling and short-form videos, it feels more like a shallow, frantic stream. You used to be a reader. You remember the smell of new pages and the thrill of getting lost in a story for hours. But now, you can barely finish a single page without reaching for your phone. You're not alone. Our attention spans are under attack, but the good news is that your reading habit isn't dead. It's just sleeping. Today, we are discussing the scientifically proven steps to rebuild your reading habit and reclaim your focus in this digital world. The first step to coming back to books is to stop treating reading like a chore or a competition. Many people fail because they try to start with a 500-page classic or a dense philosophy book. If you haven't read in months, your reading muscles are weak. Start small. Commit to just 10 minutes a day or even just 5 pages. The goal isn't to finish the book quickly. The goal is to show up every day. This is based on the 2-minute rule from habit science. Make it so easy that you can say no. Secondly, you must read what you actually love, not what you think you should read. If you enjoy thrillers, read thrillers. If you like graphic novels, start there. There is no such thing as guilty pleasure in reading. The most important thing is to rediscover the joy of a story. If a book feels boring after 20 pages, put it down. Life is too short to read books you don't enjoy, especially when you are trying to rebuild a habit. Thirdly, you have to create a digital free zone. Your phone is designed to steal your attention. When you sit down to read, put your phone in another room or turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Even having the phone face down on the table creates a psychological distraction. By removing the temptation to scroll, you allow your brain to enter a deep work state where you can actually connect with the author's words. Another powerful tip is to always have a book with you. Whether it's a physical book in your bag or a reading app on your phone, utilize the in-between moments. Instead of scrolling through social media while waiting for the bus or sitting in a doctor's office, read 2 pages. These small moments add up. You'll be surprised how many books you can finish just by using the time you usually waste. Finally, create a ritual. Maybe it's a cup of tea in the morning with a book or reading for 15 minutes before bed. Our brains love cues. When you repeat this ritual, your brain will eventually recognize the cue and automatically switch into reading mode. Remember, reading is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself. Some days you'll read 50 pages, and some days you'll read none. The key is to never stop trying. Rebuilding your reading habit is about more than just knowledge. It's about taking back control of your mind. It's a form of meditation in a world that never stops talking. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button and let us know in the comments. What was the last book that you actually finished? Don't forget to share this video with a friend who misses their library and subscribe for more deep dives into personal growth and history. Thanks for watching!